If your weeknight dinners keep turning into a 2-hour cooking session, or your beans and meat never come out quite tender enough, this might be exactly the kind of kitchen upgrade you've been looking for. A lot of pressure cookers promise fast cooking, but some feel flimsy, overly complicated, or honestly, just a little intimidating to use. Today, we're looking at the WantJoin 6-quart aluminum pressure cooker, and after spending time with it, I can already see why it's getting attention from home cooks who want something simple, fast, and reliable without spending premium brand money. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The WantJoin 6-quart pressure cooker is designed for everyday home cooking, especially for families, busy professionals, students, or anyone trying to cut cooking time without sacrificing flavor. And right away, what stands out here is how straightforward everything feels. This isn't one of those overly digital appliances packed with menus you'll never use. It sticks to the classic stovetop pressure cooker approach, but adds modern safety upgrades that make it feel a lot less stressful for beginners. In terms of design, it has a pretty clean and practical look. The aluminum body keeps it lightweight compared to stainless steel models, which honestly makes a big difference when you're carrying it full of soup, curry, or stew. It feels sturdy in the hand without becoming ridiculously heavy. The polished aluminum finish gives it a durable kitchen tool vibe rather than something cheap or disposable. The handles are comfortable to grip, and the longer handle especially helps when moving the cooker around while it's hot. It also stays cooler than expected during cooking, which is something you definitely appreciate after a few uses. One thing I think beginners will really like is how secure the lid feels once it locks into place. WantJoin added multiple safety systems here, including a pressure release valve, safety valve, anti-blocking lid system, and self-locking mechanism. And while that sounds technical, what it really means in everyday use is confidence. You don't constantly feel nervous about steam or pressure building up inside the pot. It feels controlled and predictable, which matters a lot if you've avoided stovetop pressure cookers in the past. No, when it comes to actual cooking performance, this thing is fast. Tough cuts of meat become tender surprisingly quickly. Dried beans cook in a fraction of the normal time, and soups develop deeper flavor much faster than traditional simmering. If you meal prep or cook for a family, the time savings here are honestly one of the biggest selling points. Instead of waiting forever for stews or broths, you can get a rich, slow-cooked texture much sooner. Another thing I noticed is how evenly it distributes heat. Some cheaper cookers develop hot spots that burn food at the bottom, but this one does a pretty solid job maintaining consistency, especially on induction and gas cooktops. And because the pressure seals in moisture, foods tend to stay juicy instead of drying out. Rice, lentils, vegetables, and meats all come out with better texture compared to regular boiling. Noise levels are also reasonable. It's definitely not silent. You'll hear steam release occasionally, but it's nowhere near as dramatic or scary as older pressure cookers people remember from years ago. Maintenance is pretty simple too. The aluminum interior cleans easily as long as you don't leave food sitting overnight, and the included canning rack is a nice extra for anyone interested in basic home canning or steaming. That said, there are a few trade-offs you should know about. Since it's aluminum, it's lighter and heats faster, but it may not feel as premium or as long-lasting as high-end stainless steel pressure cookers from brands like Presto or Tefal. Aluminum can also show scratches over time if you use metal utensils regularly. And because this is a stovetop model, there's a bit more of a learning curve compared to electric pressure cookers like the Instant Pot, where everything is automated. Still, compared to other pressure cookers in this price range, the WantJoin actually offers strong value. A lot of cheaper models cut corners on safety or feel unstable after repeated use. Here, the multiple safety protections help it stand out, especially for newer users. Compared to premium stainless steel options, you lose a bit of luxury feel, but you also save a decent amount of money while still getting reliable cooking performance. So, who is this best for? If you want faster cooking, better tasting soups and stews, and a more efficient way to prepare meals without spending a fortune, this is a very solid option. It's especially good for home cooks who prefer traditional stovetop cooking and want something simple and dependable. But if you want fully automated presets, digital controls, or dishwasher-safe stainless steel construction, you may want to look at higher-end electric alternatives instead. Overall, the WantJoin 6-quart aluminum pressure cooker does a really good job balancing affordability, safety, and everyday practicality. It's not trying to reinvent pressure cooking. It's just trying to make it easier, safer, and faster for normal people, and honestly, it succeeds at that. If you want to check current pricing or read more user reviews, the link is waiting down below in the description. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.